Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to make backdrop turban. The measurement here is 16 inches by 60 inches. 16 inches by 60 inches. For the band, 5 inches by 23 inches. I will notch this the center. What I'm going to do now is to sew. I'm going to sew here. After sewing, before I will sew band. I'm going to sew band. I will sew from here to this place. I'm done sewing. I'm going to bring together like this. I will measure 22 inches. Head circumference is 22 inches. So I will measure 22 inches from here to here. I will sew this way, like this, and sew up to here. I will sew here. So what I'm going to do is to make gather here with my thread and needle, and on this part with my thread and needle. This is the front and this is the back and this is the top. After drawing the thread, I will tie on this part so it doesn't lose. I will sew back with my thread and needle. I will tie and sew. I'm going to do the same. This is how it is. I'm going to do the same here, from here to this part. I'm going to start from here. After the band, I start my gather. I will tie to secure the thread. And I will sew back just the way I made for the first one. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.